In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy-paste in Squarespace. Whether you want to paste plain text, duplicate a section, or clone an entire page layout. Let's start by heading over to the Squarespace website. Once you're on the home page, click on the Login button and go to Dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to your website. If you manage multiple sites, choose the one you want to edit. Now, click the Edit button to enter edit mode, where you can make changes to your site's content and design. To copy and paste text in Squarespace, first click Add Block, then choose the text block. This creates a space where you can insert your content. Hover over the block and click the Edit icon to open the text editor. Now you can paste your text in two ways. Right-click and choose Paste, or use keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl V on Windows, Command V on Mac. Your text will instantly appear in the block. Once it's there, click OK to confirm. Now here's something important. Many users ask, why can't I paste in Squarespace? Or, my Squarespace copy function is not working. If that's you, make sure you're pasting inside a supported block, like text or code. You're not trying to paste incompatible formatting from another app. And you're not in preview mode. You must be in edit mode to paste anything. Once you're done pasting, don't forget to click Save, usually at the top or bottom of the screen, so your content updates on the live site. Now, let's touch on something related. How to duplicate a page in Squarespace. While Squarespace doesn't have a one-click copy page option like some platforms, you can duplicate a page by going to the Pages panel, clicking the gear icon next to the page you want to copy, choosing Duplicate Page. This will clone the entire structure, perfect if you want to reuse a layout for a service page, blog, or landing page. You can also copy and paste individual blocks or sections from one page to another. Just click the section, copy it using your browser menu or keyboard, and then paste it into another section of your site. If for any reason copy and paste isn't working in Squarespace, try refreshing your browser or switching to Chrome or Firefox for better compatibility. And that's it. You've learned how to copy-paste in Squarespace, how to duplicate pages, and how to troubleshoot when the feature isn't working. Squarespace may not offer traditional drag-and-drop cloning like some builders, but with these steps, you'll have full control over your content and layout. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you're facing any specific Squarespace issues. We'd love to help. Happy editing!